elegant.
Once upon a time, it was only guys who could ask ladies out. But now, we are living in an age where it doesn't require for a lady to sit back and do nothing but watch a guy she's crushing on falling into the arms of another woman. You like his smiles, you like the way he talks, his attitude, his walking style, and everything about him works magic on you, right? And now, all you want is spend time with him, but you do not know how to ask a man out. That sounds sad, right? But no, it isn't, because we are here to make it very simple for you to be able to get him all for yourself. So, all you have to do is watch this show to the end, and you are going to sure thank me later.
Hey viewers, welcome to my show. My name is Elegant, and this is Romance with Elegant, bringing you that romantic moment and spark of happiness in your relationship life.
Viewers, research has shown that nowadays, in some of the most successful relationships, it's the lady that took the bold step first to ask the guy out.
So to you out there watching me right now, I know you would still be with the mind that asking a guy out first as a lady would make you lose your self-worth and prestige. But tell me, would you rather be happy to watch him fall into the hands of another woman and perhaps having a messy relationship?
So viewers, following these tips and tricks we are sharing here may seem a little difficult, but trust me, they are very simple and effective.
So come off the fear of rejection or continuously losing the man that you want. Take up your confidence right now.
So, here are the top 6 steps to take. Enjoy yourselves. Number 1, ask yourself boldly and very sincerely, what would be the worst thing that would likely happen if I dare ask him out? See, the worst thing that can happen, if I may answer that question, is that he's going to just say no and walk away. That's if he's a nice guy. Keep this in mind while you prepare to ask him out. This would help you endure the pain just in case it happens that he says no.
Number 2, have a date in mind. It is your first time to ask him out, so have a date in mind. And if you have a specific activity, event, or a show, or even a party, you will be even more comfortable to use that as a medium and to attend the party with him. And that would give you ample opportunity to spark up the relationship.
So guys, number 3, take a shower. Always appear clean. Be sure you have a thorough bath. Wash your hair properly to avoid unnecessary odor. And not just that, apply some hair moisturizers, cream up your body, and do not forget to add a very nice perfume. Make sure you wear a seductive clothes so you can deliberately show off some parts of your body, most especially your cleavages and your legs. So this is going to make you very attractive and irresistible. Women are moved by what we see, so if you really want to get him, the one true way is be very attractive.
Number 4, make the first move. Be bold. Touch his shoulder slightly while talking with him. Hug him or gently bump into him while walking past. Do not wait for him to make the first move because it might take forever. So now you have to tell him you like him, right? Just kind of explain your feelings to him. Make him understand that you don't want this to look awkward.
Alright, so viewers, number 5, allow him for the possibility of rejection. So if he says no, what do? Get over it quickly. Maybe, just maybe, things might work out well for you guys later. Truth be told, not everyone would accept you in life. So, don't feel bad and don't feel like you are ugly or you're not good enough simply because he said no to you. Remember, there are plenty of fishes in the ocean. But then, if he says yes, then congratulations. Having a boyfriend is good, but remember, if a guy makes you uncomfortable in that relationship, be sure to walk away from such a relationship.
So number 6, be nice and understanding. Guys love girls who are nice and understanding. If it is a no, try to become good friends and hang out. You don't want to become enemies with him just because he said no. It's okay if he says no. Get back to normal so easily. You may just decide to take a break for just few days and then get back together, start hanging around him and his friends. Trust me, if you do this honestly, he will come running after you in a bit. Sometimes all you just need is patience and understanding. Have patience, have an understanding, and wait for it.
Alright, so viewers, I have a few questions to ask Helen, and I'm very sure, I'm rightly sure, she's ready to also ask me a lot of questions. So enjoy yourselves while we share our minds. So Helen, tell me, have you asked a guy out before in your life?
I would say no.
Okay.
But I've actually asked a guy out indirectly. You know this our mentality when a lady makes the first move.
Alright.
They'll tag the person as either cheap or desperate or whatever.
Oh.
So you have to do it the other way around, you understand?
Indirectly.
Yeah,
but
make the guy know that you're interested in him.
Is that like you showing a green light?
Something like that. Then if the guy, if it is mutual, then
he would come up. Then you've not actually asked the guy out. Yeah?
No, I've not really put that question. Would you be my boyfriend? Nah, I don't do that.
Alright, that's fine.
Now tell me, have you said no to a girl who asked you out first? Be honest.
Personally, I am this person. Ladies just ask me out every now and then. Alright?
Yeah. Okay.
It's a common thing for me. Alright? So when a lady sees me and be like, "Elegant, I like you," I'm like, "Thank you very much." It's not new to me. I'm mostly admired by a lot of girls. Any girl who walks up to a guy and says, "I love you," that kind of girl should be a king. That kind of girl is a king.
Well,
because it takes a lot of courage for a girl to walk up to a guy and tell the guy, "I love you." Girls don't do that. So it would be a sheer act of stupidity for me to look down on the girl or take advantage of her. So what do I do? How do I regard a girl who walks up to me to say, "I love you"? I treat her like a queen. I treat her like she's everything to me. I respect her much more than a girl who I am going after. Some guys have this mindset that any girl who they go and say, "I love you," and the girl is trying to give them difficult time, that girl is really a decent girl. It's a lie. A big fat lie. Trust me, a girl who walks up to you and says, "I love you," is more valuable than a girl you are running after.
please tell them.
So don't ever take her for granted, because she's everything. I remember a story in my life. I don't want to mention her name. She may be watching me right now. One of my ex-girlfriends. I mean, in my life, let's say 60 to 70% of girls I have dated asked me out. Alright? I don't want to mention their names. They are much. I've really had an experience in relationship. Trust me, most of these girls came to ask me out. And I can remember one. I think I've dated her the longest. She's the longest girl I've dated in my life. And she's the only girl that has given me issues a lot in my relationship. And every time I want to break up with her, she always says, Elegant, remember I came to you. Elegant, remember the day I asked you out. And do you know what that does to me? It weakens me. If I wanted to take an action, I would just stop. Because I respect them. I respect such girls. And I know there are so many guys out there that are also like that have this clear mindset to understand how to relate with such girls. Because it's not easy. And then I completely love her. Even till today, we're still friends. Alright? That's how to treat a girl who comes to you. As a guy, I have this perception that if a lady asks me out, saying no to her even if I don't like her is rude. So I kind of like play along with it. I'm not going to pretend to like you, but I'm not also going to say no. So I'm going to make you understand that, alright, I appreciate the fact that you came, but we are just going to like friend zone the thing until you understand that it's not a relationship. I'm not ready for a relationship with you. So to me, that's a more subtle way to say no. Than to just say
true.
no. It's too harsh for me.
That's true.
So I guess we've come to the end of today's show, guys. It was a very, very nice time to hang out with Helen and discussing some facts, relationship facts with you. If you're a lady and you're watching this show out there, remember, get off that gender inequality mindset that you have. Go out and meet with any guy you love, you are crushing on. Tell him what you feel about him. You may be surprised. He may just fall for you, and you guys may be on your way to starting an everlasting relationship. Thank you very much for having us. I will be happy to have you watching us in our next episode. This is Romance with Elegance, and remember, go nowhere but sticking around on all our platforms to be the first to watch our next episode because it's coming out.
Thank you for watching. I also wanted to add that if you're a guy and you see a lady that took that courage to walk up to you to say, let's be friends, or to say, can you be my love? Or, please don't take that lady for granted.
Never, please.
Please.
Yeah.
If you have to say no, do it nicely. Because it takes a whole, I'm a lady, so I can tell you what it takes. It takes a whole lot for a lady to make up her mind to say that to you.
Swear to God.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
So thank you guys for watching.
Thank you guys for
watching.
watching.
I keep saying, thanks for watching. Keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. I love you all.
Peace out, guys.
Peace out.